Hi, Deadlocks here again. Today we're doing the another escape of the ASP M100 cuffs. This time with the bobby pin. Well, that's the plan.
And double licking.
Yes, I want you to double lick it this time, please.
I'm not gonna lick it. I don't know where your hands have been.
Okay, so that's me double locked. I'll take the bobby pin. Probably should have rehearsed this first, but you know.
Bobby pin's easy.
Yeah, I have a pre-bent bobby pin that I usually use though, and I kind of wanted to do everything like prepared.
So why didn't you?
No, everything prepared with the cuffs on. I don't know if I'm in shot there or not.
You are.
So yeah, in at the bottom, follow the keyway round. I don't know if
you haven't undone the double lock yet.
I know that. I think that's the double lock undone. Yes, it is. So then after the double lock is undone, actually with these, if you just stick it in at the 12 o'clock position and rotate to bolt 3, you're out.
Dun dun dun! 1 minute and 39 seconds.
It's another successful escape with another object. That's all from us. See you next time.
Bye!